remote control cars are used in many police stations and bomb squad departments. This seems interesting. So in this video I have made a remote control car by using transmitter, Arduino Uno and the receiver. So let's see how I have made this. So I have just used the Arduino transmitter and the receiver module, then the motor driver, two motors and two wheels, then wires, battery caps. So here in this I have connected the Arduino, and in that Arduino I have uploaded the code of square robot. So the car will move in a square path like this. It will move in a square path. And then in the transmitter module you will see 4 pins. So the 4 pins are the 4 pins are D0, D1, D2, D3. So in that 4 pins you have to connect the Arduino's Arduino's output. So whatever Arduino means, you have connected a motor at 12 and 13, and you have connected that motor at D0 and D1 at the receiver side. So you will connect that motor you will connect that Arduino output at D0 and D1. So what will happen is, whatever the output Arduino is giving at D0 and 13 and 12 pin number, that will go to D0 and D1, that is the pin of the transmitter, and then the transmitter will make it into the radio waves, and then the receiver will catch that waves and it will convert it into output, and then that motor which you have connected at 13 and 12 pin number will start working. And here you will see 4 LEDs. This 4 LED, and there it will be written D0, D1, D2, D3. So if you have connected the motor at D0 and the positive is connected at D1, so the D1 LED will glow. And if you have connected the positive at D0, then the D0 LED will glow. So this will show that the transmitter and receiver module is working. The transmitter and receiver module is working. But if your motor is not working, then it would be the problem of motor. It will indicate that the transmitter and receiver module is working, and there would be the problem with your component. In the receiver module also you can see these 4 LEDs. So sometimes the chip, here there are 2 chips. At the receiver side there is a small chip, and at the transmitter side there is a small chip, and at the receiver side there is a big chip. So what will happen, sometimes if the chip may not be working, then the LED at the transmitter will glow and the receiver will not glow. Or sometimes the chip are connected and the D0 is glowing here and D0 is glowing here also. So this means that there may be problem with your component. Then here you will find 4 switches: SW1, SW0, SW2, SW3. So SW0 means switch 0. So switch 0 will give 5 volt output to D0 pin. So means you have connected a LED at D0, and first you have to check that whether that LED is working or not. So as you press on SW0, then it will give 5 volt to the D0 pin, and then the LED will glow. If the LED will not be glowing, then you can get that signal here. In the receiver side also we have the 4 LEDs, so that D0 will glow and then it will be glowing. Then there is the on-off switch, there is a jack pin, then there is a channel for connecting negative positive, then there are 3 pins for connecting negative positive. Then at the receiver side also there is same. Now you will find this red color big box in both transmitter side also and in the receiver side also. So in the transmitter side and receiver side, this is here it will be written address selector, but this is the password protection system. So means if you are using 2233 transmitter and receiver at your home or anywhere, so there may be problem that if the password is same of transmitter and receiver, then only the both will communicate. if I have so there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So if I do one like here up like this, then the transmitter and receiver will not communicate, because at the transmitter side the 1 and 2 are not up. But if I do it up at the transmitter side, then the both will communicate. So this is the password protection system, so that if one transmitter and receiver are doing the work of car, if one is doing the work of buzzer, if one is doing the work of LED, so which output should go to which receiver, for that password protection system is used. Then on the receiver side you will find two LEDs. One is of power and the another in green color, it is VT. So what is now VT? So VT means that if the VT light is glowing, then it will show you that the transmitter and receiver both are connected with each other. So then after that I have connected D0, D1, D2, so D3 to the IN1, IN2, IN3 of this motor driver, and D0, D1, D2, D3 in the transmitter I have connected it to 13, 12, 11, 10 pin number of the Arduino Uno. Now let's see how they are working. I have connected the car with the battery. Now I am connecting this Arduino and receiver with the battery. So it will start running automatically as I will connect. See, so it's connected, the VT light is glowing, and so it's taking turn forward, and here it has completed the square. So the car was moving in the square. So the codes for this car is int IN1 is equal to 13, int IN2 is equal to 12, int IN3 is equal to 11, int IN4 is equal to 10, then void setup, pin mode IN1, output, IN2 output, IN3 output, IN4 output, then void loop, digital write IN1, high, digital write IN3, high, delay 2000, then digital write IN2, low, digital write IN4, low, then digital write IN1, low, digital write IN3, high, delay 700, then digital write 12, low, digital write 4, low. So these are the codes. So in this here the car will move in forward direction for 2 seconds, and then in this condition the car will move in right direction for 0.7 seconds. If you have any doubts regarding this video, then please DM me on my Instagram handle. Link is given on the description box. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.